Hallo allemaal! Struggling with negation in Dutch? Negating simply means making a sentence negative, saying no or expressing that something is not the case. And knowing when to use niet and geen is key to forming correct sentences. So in this lesson you will learn when to use niet and when to use geen. And we'll look at easy examples to help you remember that. So by the end, you will be able to confidently negate sentences in Dutch. So, let's get started! Let's talk about negating. So negating makes making something negative, so making it the opposite. So you can make a sentence, and in Dutch you can use niet and geen to make it then the opposite, right? To make it not dot dot dot. So let's explain exactly how that works. So there's two ways, and you can use niet or you can use geen. So Dutch has two ways of negating. The first is by combining niet with a verb. So niet is used in combination with a verb. For example, ik ben niet rijk. I am not rich. So it tells you something about the verb ben. I am not, right? Ik ben niet rijk. So another example is ik woon niet in Den Haag. I don't live in The Hague. So the niet tells you something about the living, that you're not living there. Okay, so that's how you make that negative, niet. Now we go to the second way of making something negative, and that is by combining geen with a noun, right? And a noun is, for example, a person or a thing. So the other one is with a verb, this one is with a person of a thing. I'll explain you. For example, ik heb geen geld. So that means I have no money. So what do I don't have? I don't have money, right? So it's about the money that I not have. So the money is a noun or a thing, right? So I use then geen. I'll give you one more example. For example, ik heb geen auto. That means I have no car. So the car is the object and I don't have that object. So that's why I use geen there. That's it, right? Simple. So in Dutch, two ways. You use niet with verbs and you use geen with nouns to make it negative. Alright. Geweldig gedaan. Good job. You've just taken another step with improving your Dutch. What did you find most helpful? Drop it in the comments below if you want. And if you want to learn even more Dutch, check out my online Dutch courses for step-by-step lessons. And you can find the link in the description of this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe so you never miss a new lesson. So see you in the next video.